I'm being heard and I'm being seen. So welcome you all for this first edition of E-Channel Partners Meet. My name is Vinod Dutari and I take care of the sales for South Central Bombay. I hope that in this time you and your family members are taking care of your good health and are also safe. I think many of you would also have been part of yesterday's company-wide channel partners meet that we had held at the company level. So this is a very unprecedented kind of a thing that which is coming from Lodha stable, and we'll kind of build on this kind of a meet to be efficiently able to communicate what we want to communicate to the large base of channel partners that we have. Right. So we also thought that we will also do a separate channel partners meet for our channel partners, specifically to give you update on the relevant update on the products in South Central Bombay, right? And I think as all of us are living in a very unprecedented times, I think most of a couple of generations won't have witnessed this kind of a scenario. And this pandemic has not left anyone, right from the most developed countries of the world to the poorest. And I think India is no different. We are sailing in the same boat. However, we have made some progress compared to rest of the world, but still the crisis is there in front of us. We also feel that times of crisis are also the times of opportunity. Opportunity for making company from a good company, or rather differentiating companies, great companies from the good companies. And we'll also kind of take this opportunity to tell you what and how what Lodha as a company is doing to make this change happen, right? I think all of us are aware that Lodha has shaped the past, the present, and will continue shaping the future of Mumbai real estate. Apart from this, I think we also take pride in not only reshaping. Okay. We also take pride in not only being the largest residential company in India, and giving it world class products like Lodha Park, Lodha World Towers, and many more. And we also take pride in that we are a homegrown company, and homegrown company making making a mark not only in India but in London, where we have two of the finest residences present there. One is almost ready to move in, and the second is under construction. So we take pride in being a homegrown company, making a mark not only in India but in the entire world. And we also feel that to build a world class company, we not only have to take care of our revenues. We not only have to take care of our immediate stakeholders like customers, like channel partners, like employees. We also have to take care of our neighborhood, and we also have to contribute something towards the nation building at large, right? So we will also take this opportunity to update you on some of the things that Lodha has been doing in the times of crisis, which is in line with what the entire nation is thinking and talking about, right? So I'll not take much of a time and ask or request my colleague Priyesh to take over the presentation from here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vinod. At the outset, let me first begin by thanking all of you for taking the time out for us, and we truly appreciate it. Like Vinod said, I also wish that aap sabke families mein everyone is well, everyone is keeping safe. I mean, we are all talking about that we are living in this challenging environment. There are tough situations, that there is unprecedented times that we're living in, जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ uncertain है. We have a lot of concerns of what's going to happen in future. काफी सारी anxieties है दिमाग में. But yes, it's also during these times that we can showcase the best of our human spirit. इन्हीं टाइम में you and I, as individuals and corporates, can come together and emerge out as winners during this situation. So yeah, going ahead, while every one of us is doing their individual bit to ensure that we are contributing in our own way to fight against this pandemic, I want to now take you through what Lodha Group has been doing to get ourselves out of this situation, and how we as a company are contributing to the community, are taking preventive steps, are following the government directives, that all of us can be safe. So we've been able to help the community in our own ways by distributing meals. We've been able to take care of the needy people. We've been also supporting all the government directives and the frontline workers. We've also been following all the norms. And yes, across our sites, across all our major developments, we've ensured that proper steps are being taken for the safety of our customers. We've also taken certain community initiatives so that we can help the society at large, and so that we can also come out innovative in the face of this adversity. Now, together, we as a unit, as a group, we've gathered the strength and the courage to come out of this challenging time. And while Lodha ka vision hai to build a better life, we believe in also living up to our vision. We believe in proactively taking steps so that we always have vision right in front of us. And so in Samay mein, how we've been able to complete and live our visions. So we've been delivering almost 20,000 meals daily across locations of MMR. We as the Lodha Group, we have waived off the rentals for shops across our rental portfolio and Expedia Mall. Our Lodha World School is the first school in MMR to have rolled back the fees for the current year. And Sare MMR mein, Lodha World School is the first school to do it. So with these initiatives, we are doing our own small bit to contribute in building better lives for others. Now, while these are steps, we're listening that overall macro picture mein, there are so many people who are talking that India ka economy niche जा रहा है, growth rates kam ho rahe hain. I don't know what will happen to my business. So how can we as individuals and corporates contribute to building nation? However small our contribution is, it does matters today. And so the need of the hour is, how do you and I take proactive steps to ensure that we also do something to build up our nation? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप में से काफी लोगों ने मोदी जी का लेटेस्ट एड्रेस देखा होगा, और उसमें एक की चीज है wherein he has reinforced that homegrown community का जो contribution है, जो देशी partners है, देशी companies है, they have to come up and they have to contribute in their own way to build up the nation. We have to be self-reliant in our initiatives. And so for this,